Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to a new video. This is gonna be a quick video. We're gonna disable demo mode without using the Vizio remote. So let's go ahead and get to it. To begin, we're going to look for the input button on the back of your Vizio TV. Normally you're going to find this button located at the back of the TV at the lower left side if you are facing the TV. And now let's press and hold down the input button on the TV for around 5 to 10 seconds and the demo mode should be disabled. And now we're going to proceed by pressing the input button once, and then you will be able to view all the available inputs. You're going to see HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and all the available inputs. To navigate through the inputs, simply press the input button once to move down through the available inputs. And now simply keep pressing the input button like I'm doing it right now to select the desired input like this, and hold down the input button on the TV for around 2 seconds to switch to the desired input. After that, you can use your TV as you normally do. Hey guys, if you found this video useful, please kindly consider subscribing to this channel. I appreciate your support and thank you for taking the time to watch. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.